Hello, my new book Doctor Who and the Daleks, the official story of the films, is finally here, and I'll be signing copies of it at London's Forbidden Planets on Saturday the 10th of December at 5 p.m.
Look!
My book will take readers through the whole process of translating the metal monsters from the small screen to the big, with all new interviews, in-depth information on the production, design, casting and special effects, all accompanied by full-colour illustrations including props, posters and behind-the-scenes photography, including some unpublished images.
But how in water?
But don't worry, if you can't make it to the signing, I have book plates and bookmarks to send to the first 100 people who contact me with a screenshot of their Amazon review, and you can email it to me here. Now, if you'd like to win your very own signed copy of my book, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.